Hello, everybody. I am Mrs. Brucker. I am your son or daughter's advanced chemistry teacher. And so I wanted to record this video just to kind of introduce myself and kind of show you how things are going to be organized on Canvas for advanced chemistry. So this is my 16th year teaching here at Naperville North. I've been teaching 21 years. And before I was a teacher, I worked at Abbott Laboratories as a chemist for a number of years. So teaching is my second career. I have been teaching advanced chem for many, many years. I helped develop this course, and it's quite a unique course because any student that has previously taken chemistry can take this course. So you could have taken honors chemistry, you could have taken regular chemistry, you could have taken AP chemistry, it does not matter. And I have sophomores, juniors, and seniors in this class. Now this class is very much self-paced, especially this year, because it is an extra course. It's only a semester long, and it's for kids that are interested in chemistry. We teach organic chemistry, which is something we don't even cover in AP chemistry anymore, and we definitely don't cover it in honors or in regular chemistry. So it's a complete subset of chemistry that is quite unique. And a lot of students take it because, again, organic chemistry is kind of the scary chemistry when you take it in college. So this is not a replacement. This is more of just for them to see what organic chemistry is about. So let me share my screen. And you could then see kind of how things are organized in Canvas for them. And I also posted a video of this. So everything is going to be on this front page. Daily agendas is always going to be a place that they're going to go. And this is where we're going to have what are we doing in Zoom together, and then what are they doing for homework or on their own when we are not on Zoom. So I'm going to try, my daily agendas are going to be by week, so students can work ahead if they need to, but that's going to be the daily agenda. That's where they're going to go to first. Under course materials, I have just linked it to the modules. So I've put everything in the module. For this course, we are going to be using a textbook, but we really are only using it for review. So everything is really going to be found on Canvas. So we are going to be reviewing some things from first year chemistry, whenever their first year chemistry was, and then we're going to go into organic and maybe some forensics this semester. So I have posted videos for each one of my note series. And that should help students, again, pace themselves if they need additional help. But like I said, since I meet them every day on Zoom, they have the ability to ask me questions whenever they need me. And then finally, the calendar is a Google Calendar. Do be advised that, again, planning wise, there's a lot of things that are kind of up in the air in terms of planning. So the Google Calendar is going to change a little bit because of the fact that I'm not sure how long certain activities are going to take. Usually I have things planned out month to month very easily, but this year is very, very different. So what you will see in white is what we're doing in class, and then what is in peach essentially is what their homework is or what they're doing outside without me guiding them necessarily. So again, I just wanted to share this video with all of you so you could have a face with the name. I will also have on this email that I send out my email address so you could contact me if you have any questions. But again, Ms. Brucker, very nice to meet you, and thank you for watching this video.